If you're into vlogging, travel filmmaking, or just love having cinematic video quality in your pocket, the DJI Pocket 4 is about to change the game, and not just by a little. This isn't just another refresh of DJI's compact camera series. It's shaping up to be a revolutionary upgrade that delivers flagship-tier performance at a surprisingly accessible price point. From massive design changes to AI-enhanced features, the DJI Pocket 4 looks set to redefine what's possible from a pocket-sized gimbal camera. In today's deep dive, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the DJI Pocket 4, from leaks and specs to design changes, performance upgrades, and even rumored collaborations that could shake the entire camera industry. So, whether you're a content creator, filmmaker, or tech enthusiast looking to upgrade your video gear in 2026 or beyond, this is the one to watch. DJI Pocket 4. Rumors: a leap in design and power. The DJI Osmo Pocket series has long been a favorite among vloggers and travel content creators for its ability to combine gimbal stabilization with compact portability. But the DJI Pocket 4 isn't playing small anymore. It's rumored to bring a new level of power previously only seen in much more expensive, bulkier setups. Based on the most credible leaks so far, the Pocket 4 is not just a minor tweak of the Pocket 3, it's an ambitious redesign that could deliver serious improvements in sensor size, screen quality, image fidelity, and smart AI features. Larger display and ergonomics, better usability, more control. One of the most noticeable upgrades is the new, larger 2.5-inch rotatable touchscreen, a big step up from the Pocket 3's 2-inch display. With a rumored 480x800 resolution and 800 nits of brightness, this screen should provide excellent outdoor visibility even under direct sunlight. That's perfect for creators who often shoot in bright conditions or want to check framing on the go. In terms of design and ergonomics, the Pocket 4 will reportedly have a 190-degree body, offering a more substantial grip for improved stability. A new, textured finish and repositioned buttons are expected to make extended use far more comfortable and intuitive, especially during dynamic shoots. Image sensor and lens. Professional quality in your pocket. At the heart of the Pocket 4 will likely be a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens, delivering sharper visuals, enhanced depth of field, and significantly better performance in low-light environments. This combination alone would make it a favorite among YouTubers and mobile filmmakers. Expect ISO ranges from 50 to 6400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills, opening new possibilities for night vlogging and moody cinematics. Add in 10-bit D-Log-M and HDR video capture, and you've got massive post-production flexibility for color grading, essential for creators aiming for a polished cinematic look. The enhanced autofocus system is also rumored to include phase detection and eye tracking capabilities, significantly reducing focus hunting and making it more suitable for fast-paced shooting situations like sports, street interviews, and handheld documentary filming. AI and smart features, Active Track 7 and intelligent stabilization. One of the most exciting upgrades in the DJI Pocket 4 is the rumored inclusion of Active Track 7, which is expected to blend phase detection and AI-based eye tracking for even more accurate subject tracking. This is a major plus for vloggers who need their camera to keep up while they're on the move. The Pocket 4 will also reportedly feature a combination of mechanical gimbal stabilization and electronic stabilization algorithms, creating ultra-smooth footage even in motion-heavy scenarios like action sports or fast pans. Creators can also expect real-time HDR previews and enhanced computational photography thanks to a new processor. This means better performance, faster data processing, and smoother workflows for on-the-go editors who need results quickly. 4K at 240 FPS. Slow motion. Like never before. Here's where things really start to feel premium. The DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to record 4K video at 240 frames per second, effectively doubling the slow motion capabilities of its predecessor. Whether you're capturing skate tricks, wildlife moments, or dramatic travel B-roll, this feature alone pushes the Pocket 4 into a different category. Combined with the new 1-inch sensor and advanced stabilization, the result should be crisp, fluid, high-resolution slow-motion footage that rivals much larger and more expensive camera setups. Battery life and heat management. Built for long shoots. No one likes running out of battery mid-shoot. Luckily, DJI appears to be listening. The Pocket 4 is expected to feature an upgraded power management system, enabling longer usage even with the power-hungry screen and advanced processor. The PD fast charging system could allow for a full charge in just 25 minutes, a major upgrade from the 32-minute full charge time of the Pocket 3. Though the battery capacity hasn't been confirmed, insiders say it will exceed 1300 mAh, which is already more than enough for most daily shooting sessions. DJI is also rumored to be improving the thermal design, so overheating should be much less of a concern during extended recordings even in hot climates. This is a huge deal for travel vloggers and outdoor creators filming in variable environments. Pricing and release window. Is it worth the upgrade? Current speculation suggests the DJI Pocket 4 will launch in late 2026 or early 2027, consistent with DJI's 3-year product release cycle. Pricing is expected to start at $699 for the standard version and $799 for the Creator Combo, which may include extras like an external mic, wide-angle lens, or ND filters. While this represents a slight bump in cost compared to the Pocket 3, the value proposition here is massive. For under $800, you're getting a device that potentially rivals premium mirrorless cameras in video quality, without the bulk or complexity. If even half of the rumors come true, the Pocket 4 is not just a pocket camera, it's a cinematic powerhouse disguised as one. Why the DJI Pocket 4 might be the best creator camera. Yet to recap, here's why the DJI Pocket 4 could become the ultimate camera for content creators in 2026. Larger 2.5-inch rotating screen for better usability 1.9-inch. CMOS sensor with improved low-light performance, 10-bit D-Log-M and HDR video for cinematic color grading phase detection autofocus, and Active Track 7 for pro-level tracking 4K at 240 FPS. Slow motion recording, extended battery life with rapid 25-minute PD charging, upgraded stabilization blending mechanical and electronic systems, ergonomic redesign with better grip and button placement. Whether you're vlogging your next adventure, shooting short films, or just want to elevate your video production without investing in a bulky setup, the DJI Pocket 4 is looking like the go-to solution for creators who demand both performance and portability.